Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and let's talk a little bit more about German grammar. And this is also part of my beginner's course where you learn German with stories. And today I like to talk about the present tense of the irregular verbs. Yes, we have irregular verbs in German. And I use the red color for everything what is irregular in my course because I like to visualize grammar so you can really see it and not just by definition. But regular verbs in my course use the green color. So we have always the green color for regular verbs. And let's just see what means regular in German. So let's dive into it. Remember, the regular verbs conjugate the following way, like in the example with kommen. Ich komme, du kommst, es, sie kommt, wir kommen, ihr kommt und sie kommen. So this is just a regular verb. But now let's see what we have when we have an irregular verb like sprechen, to speak. Irregular means that something changes in the root of the verb. Therefore, I mark the E here red. And this E will change somehow into I. So let's have a closer look to the conjugation of sprechen. In first person, we have ich spreche Deutsch. And that's interesting because it's still regular. No, there's no change in the root of the verb and it just takes the ending I. Ich spreche Deutsch, I speak German. Therefore the image has the green background because it's regular. And Leo here is green because it's a subject and Deutsch it's blue because it's accusative. But I will talk about accusative in a different video. So let's see what happens in second person singular with du. And here we have du sprichst Deutsch. Du sprichst. Here, yes, we have a change. So the I of sprechen changes to I, sprichst. And therefore I changed also the background color. The background color is here red. And the ending, it's the same like for regular verbs. So the st. So du sprichst. But there's a change in the root. And the same thing happens in third person. So spricht Deutsch. The ending is like the regular verb, no, t, but we have also I. So it's also red here. No? Spricht. And the same applies for es spricht, so the baby, it speaks. And also feminine, sie spricht, she speaks. No? Sie spricht Deutsch. And let's see what happens in plural. What do you think? In plural, it's again regular. That's easy. No? So, wir sprechen Deutsch. So, no change in the root and we apply the same ending of regular verbs. IN in this case. Wir sprechen Deutsch. Ihr sprecht Deutsch. Still regular. No surprises here. Sie sprechen Deutsch. They speak German. And when we talk in a formal way, no, Sie sprechen Deutsch, you, no, formal way, sprechen Deutsch, you speak German, or if you speak to several people the formal way, you would also say Sie sprechen Deutsch. So you see, just second person and third person in singular is irregular, okay? The rest, it's regular, okay? Remember this. But there's a different group of irregular verbs in German. Here we have another example. Sehen, to see. And here the E of the root of the verb changes to IE, no? To a long E. No? So let's see. But it applies the same idea. First person, ich sehe. It's regular. Ich sehe das Haus. I see the house. Okay? Regular. Second person, irregular. Du siehst das Haus. You see the house. And so there's a change in the root. So you pronounce it du siehst. So it's a long I. And in third person the same thing. Sieht das Haus. Okay? And the same thing for es sieht das Haus and sie sieht das Haus. She sees the house. And in plural it's again regular. Wir sehen das Haus. Ihr seht das Haus. Sie sehen das Haus, they, or the formal way, Sie sehen das Haus to one person or to several persons, Sie sehen das Haus. So there's no surprise, it's regular. And there is a third group, and here we have another example, schlafen, to sleep. Here the root, the A of the root changes to A umlaut, no, with the dots. No? So here, first person again, regular. Ich schlafe im Bett. I sleep in the bed. And second person, so I told you that we need to change, so it becomes du schläfst. No? A with the dots, it's pronounced like ä. Du schläfst im Bett. And third person, er schläft im Bett. Okay, or es schläft im Bett, or we can say also sie schläft im Bett. She sleeps in the bed. And plural again, it's regular. Wir schlafen im Bett. We sleep. Wir schlafen. Ihr schlaft. You all, no, you guys sleep. Ihr schlaft im Bett. And they, sie schlafen im Bett. Or when you talk in a formal way, sie schlafen im Bett. Or several people, sie schlafen im Bett. You, formal way, all sleep in the bed. So, like you see, there are three groups of irregular verbs. One changes the E to an I, the other group an E to EI, and the last group is where you change an A to A umlaut. No? And the interesting thing is just second and third person is irregular. The rest, it's regular. So keep remembering this. So, and the endings are really the same for regular and irregular verbs. So the endings are E, ST, T, EN, T, EN. So that's quite easy because for both it's the same. So thank you very much, and you see with colors, no, it helps a lot to learn German grammar. And if you check out my course, no, you will see the same colors in my course where you learn by a story. Thank you very much and see you soon. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Check out more videos for more tips on mastering German. Want to take your German learning to the next level? Visit my website for more courses and private lessons. See you there.